Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. If the Instagram story comment feature isn't available to you, I will show you how to fix it. So now let's get started. First, ensure you have updated to the latest version of Instagram. Head to your app store, check for any updates and install the newest version if available. Then next, go to your Instagram settings, navigate to the privacy, and then story. Ensure that the allow story comments option is turned on for everyone or people you follow. If the feature is still unavailable, try restarting the Instagram app or your device. Sometimes a simple restart can refresh the app and make the feature available. And that is how you fix the Instagram story comment feature if it's unavailable. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.